Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a live button if it's not showing on TikTok. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more such tutorials. Now, to fix a missing live button on TikTok, just like this one right here, when you go ahead and tap on it, let's say you have it, and when you tap on it, it's not working or it's just not here. Okay, so what do we do? First up, go ahead and verify that you meet the platform's eligibility requirements, which includes being at least 18 years old and having a minimum of 1,000 followers. And depending on your account as well, sometimes TikTok does offer you to go live, okay, allows you to go live even if you don't have that much followers. I don't know why both of my accounts got live. All right, maybe I've requested something before. I remember this one moment where I submitted a request, okay, to access live for my account so that I will be able to stream. Okay, if you want that option as well, go ahead and look it up online. There's a ton of videos. So just for the app fixes, let's say you don't have the live button. Well, just go ahead and force close the app, and then go ahead and find TikTok. Tap and hold if you're using Android, and tap on the information icon. Scroll down and find storage. Now go ahead and tap on clear cache, followed by clear data. Now these two right here will be zeroed. Okay, if you're using iOS, go ahead over to settings, general, then iPhone storage, and after that, find TikTok and offload the app. Okay, and then once that's done, close everything, go to Play Store or App Store. Go ahead and find TikTok. All right. And just make sure that the app is fully up to date. And once that's updated, open it up. And once done, you should be good to go. You should now be able to find live right here and go live. Okay. And that's how easy it is to fix live button if it's not showing on TikTok. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.